Hello, my students. Welcome to my class. Okay, I need that you write in your notebook the date, July 2020. Topic, need, the verb need, but for necessity. Performance, identify vocabulary page 42 and use verb need. Okay, if you want to stop the video here and please copy the date, topic, and performance. Okay, I need that you open your student book, page 42, please. Open that. Okay, and you have point A. Okay, the landscaper want perfect summer job. This is for job that you work or somebody work, like in the garden. Okay, and we start to draw and identify the vocabulary. Lawnmower, look, is that? It's a machine. Shovel, shovel, shovel. Gardening hose, gardening hose. Rake, a rake. Work gloves, work gloves. A sweater. Okay, I need that you please draw the meaning. No Spanish, please. Only you identified with the picture. Okay? And when you finish to do that, we continue with point B. Okay, in this moment, we start with point B. Complete the sentences with information from activity A. Okay? We use the verb need. You use the verb need when you need something. Okay? Utilizas el verbo need cuando necesitas, cuando requieres de algo. ¿Ok? Entonces vamos a ver la primera oración. Por favor, read in your book. You need a shovel to dig holes. You need a shovel to dig a hole. This is a hole. Okay, and continue. You need, the verb need, you need a gardening shears to trim the brushes. Okay? You need that for make this activity. And the you, number 3, you need work gloves. This is a gloves to protect your hands. Protect your hands. You work with them. You need a gloves. Okay? Okay, my students, I need that you please copy that in your notebook with picture because you need to review, okay, this activity. Okay, good day for you. Bye. See you.